Kids section we start off with. This is a garden in a tray. Children are our future gardeners. We've got to get them involved. This is an animal made out of veg. Longest runner bean. This is still in the junior section, and this Gladdy here, when I first come in and seen it, I thought corker, and it's that good. It's got best exhibit out of all the flowers, which we'll see in a bit, so they will be impressed. Still on the junior class as well. This is for veg. If they ain't got one for fruit, I ain't read the schedule. Jason did them for them. I'll ask him to put one in. Aubergines, 3, look at them, bloody corkers. Chilies, these 3 lots here were mine, so I judged them 4 and then put mine in, helping them out on the show. I thought they auctioned everything off at the end of the show, but they don't, obviously, apparently. Garlic, as a judge, I like to see nice, white, unbroken skin, with the, obviously all identical, with the roots trimmed. He's got his roots trimmed here. This one hasn't. If he had a done, he'd have got first place. Beautiful. I always leave a card, help him out for next time, and tell him he's a new one, but at least he's had a go. Maras, trying to get 2 the same, it's bloody hard. He got a 3rd place because it's matching colour. He's just off colour, otherwise he would have had a 1st. Herbs, another good collection. You get a few in that one. Red cabbage, nice big solid heart in them. That's why you come 3rd. Normal cabbages. Not many of the cards have gone out on these yet. Them are corkers, nice and clean, nice and solid, huge. Cucumbers, usually a pair. You got to get 2 the same shape, colour, size. Less ribbing, the better. But it's pretty hard with everything. Everybody's in the same boat. Sweet corn. These skins are up here. I've left a little note. Pull the skins on down the front of the cobs. It's only the tops that are unripe. The bottoms will be ripe enough first. So just pull it down. Impress me. Left them a card. Squash, 3. Peppers. These impressed me. First time I've seen them before. And them are bloody corkers and all. But they was odd shaped. And truss of tomatoes. Decent ones on there. These ones here was 35mm cherry toms. So I've got to job the show committee to change in the schedule for next year. 30mm, like everybody else. That happened with last week and all judging. Normal toms. Nice red judges like to see, except the darker the red, usually them are soft. That's why they get nowhere. Them was nice ones. French beans. Always read the schedule. People put 1 short, 1 over, whatever. Some decent ones in there. Runners. I always snap with this one. It's the second one in from the right. We've got to take everything into consideration. Parsnips. Well, it's been a funny old year for growing bloody everything with our loopy weather. Them was whiter than him, less ribbing, that's why he got a first. Celery, he's got more meat on him, nice clean hearts in the middle. This he's had a go, so he's got a 2nd. No pot leeks this year. Blanch leeks. Them was nice ones, 3 nice ones. He come close to getting best exhibiting show. 3 large onions, these are over 250 gram. Funny here for bloody onions and all, for me anyway. Collies, 2 decent ones there, nice and white. Too many lumps on him. Shallots, ain't got the allium leaf mine around here yet. like we have. This one would have had first prize if it had cleaned the root plates on the bottom. Impressed me. I've left him a card so he knows ready for next year. Long carrots, not much cop I'm afraid. Onions, these are superb, the finish on them. You got best exhibiting show for me, veg wise, that is. White taters, 5 the same. Coloureds, stump carrot, 3 the same, nice and fresh, identical, less ribbing. That's where you got first prize. Nice long tail on as well. These lot here, I'm going to fall out with me as a judge. NAS means not as scheduled. 6 out of the 7 got NAS. All oversized. Read the schedule. And if you ain't got a ring, then buy one. He's got the smallest, but he got away with it. 30mm ring, easy to get hold of. Rhubarb, nice, straight, long, solid sticks, that's what I'm looking for. This is another one here, 6-inch, NAS again, over 6-inch. So I've got to ask them to rephrase it in the schedule next year, around 6-inch. Then if you're just over, just under, you can get away with it. Beetroot, one nice long tail. Any extra tails on, just pinch them out with your thumbnail, like them. That little one there. Pinch them out. Impress the judge. It's only bullshit, but it works. First time I've ever exhibited before beetroot. It's usually 3. 3 long uns. You can't cook them, or can't get them in the pond. Some perv around here collections. Good venue, this is ideal. It was in a marquee last year, and overnight the marquee sweats. It's a pain in the arse. Heavy onion. Don't forget these are allotment. People off allotments. That's just one collection of veg, 4 different kinds. There's only one entry there. Look at them. Crap that is. Right, there's 1, 2. Sorry, there's 2 in this one, that's it all. So a display of 4 kinds of veg. Nice backdrop. Holds them up. That impresses the judge more so than line and flat. But then you got hassle. But hassle works because they come first with it. But them carrots are superb compared to our mates over here. But like, see where they come first or second, because I marked down on the sheet with the scorecards. These 2 here, collection of veg, 6 kinds. Look at that. Takes some bloody doing, that does. Look at his carrots and all. Gordon Bennett. To get 3 the same is hard. Bloody 6. Collies are superb as well. And he got 94 points, and this one got 90. So he just pipped him. He got him on his parsnips. That was in better condition than them. You can see the knobs on them and the ribbing. And they was more uniform. But he just pipped him. This one here, display of veg. There's only one entry with that. But nice display. Very good, excellent, like it. Spread everything out. These 2 display of flowers, fruit and veg. There was that one and that one over there. So we'll have a perv of this one first. These are 28 points. Next year I want to get the show committee again. Let's see if I can bloody read that. To add on veg 20 points, fruit 20 points and flowers 20 points, along with quality staging. Don't know where they stand there, but that's a good display as well. Excellent. Nice bit of colour mixed all up. This one, the flowers let them down. It looks a bit drab. Have I got him all in? Yeah. But it's good effort. I mean, they got 24 points anyway. But you have to look at everything. But bullshit baffles brains. Always has done, always will. Good display, collection of cut flowers. There's only one entry in this. That's a decent display as well. Don't forget these allotment peoples. Collection of cut flowers. Them are nice. Only one in there. Vase and mixed garden flowers. Tombola. Right, flowers. Bloody battery loss on here. 3 vases of garden flowers. So that's one lot there. There's another lot. See why I got fussed. 1 vase hardy border perennial. Sweet peas. Own foliage. First I've seen it like that. It's usually just a sweet pea and a stem. Never mind. Dahlias, pom-poms and whatever. Jason's judged these this morning, but he's judging up north as well, so he's had to leg it. But all these lot, and that one down the bottom, that kid's gladioli won the best in flower. This one display 12 kinds of veggie flowers. The hill allotments. Nice one, troops. And you come to your big boys here. Gladdies. I've grown 6 lots for our show. They've all come bloody early. Potluck. Everybody's in the same boat. Our loopy weather. Chrysanths. Not many of them in. Couple of sprays. Fruit. I've had a good year for fruit. I thought there'd be more fruit in here this year. You know what we got in now is the pumpkin. Heaviest pumpkin. So that was £87. Heaviest marrow. I've been told that was the first time they've exhibited, put that in. So they'll be pleased with that becoming second. £51 there. Heaviest. But this is a good venue. Because it's air conditioned as well. You ain't gonna have all the bloody flowers limping. Excellent. What they're doing outside. Right, that's it, troops. Hope you've learned something. See you next time. Cheers all.